Zoho Projects is a robust productivity and time management tool, but before you pull the trigger on buying it, there are 12 things you need to know. Let's dive into them and compare how Zoho stands against other project management tools out there. The first thing to consider is the user interface. Zoho Projects is sleek, but it can be a little overwhelming at first. If you're used to tools like Trello or Monday.com, Zoho's dashboard may take a bit of getting used to. It's a bit more packed with features, which leads us to the second thing. Next thing, the pricing structure. Zoho Projects has a flexible pricing model that scales well for small businesses, but it can get expensive as your team grows. It offers a free plan for up to 3 users, but once you expand, you'll need to move to the paid plans, which are on par with competitors like Asana or ClickUp. However, the difference is that Zoho offers more functionality in its basic plans compared to those tools. The third thing is time tracking. Zoho Projects comes with built-in time tracking features, which can be helpful for teams that need to keep an eye on billable hours. It's a solid tool, but if you're looking for advanced time tracking features, you might find tools like Harvest or Toggle more intuitive and feature-rich. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Zoho Projects offers a wide range of integrations with other Zoho tools and third-party applications like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. However, if you're using something less common, the integrations can sometimes feel a bit limited compared to something like ClickUp or Monday, which have an extensive library of integrations. The fifth thing is task management. Zoho Projects excels here with features like task dependencies, milestones, and subtasks. It's great for complex projects, but for simpler, more visual task management, tools like Trello might be a more natural choice. Next, let's talk about customizability. Zoho Projects allows a good amount of customization with fields, templates, and workflows, but if you're looking for deep customization, you might find it easier to achieve with platforms like Jira, especially for larger teams. The seventh thing to know is reporting. Zoho Projects offers a comprehensive suite of reporting tools, which are great for project managers who need to track progress, costs, and time. But if you need highly detailed, customizable reports, tools like Team Gantt or Rike might offer more flexibility in this area. The eighth thing is mobile app functionality. Zoho's mobile app isn't as feature-rich as its web version, and some users have reported glitches or missing functionalities when compared to mobile apps from competitors like ClickUp or Asana. Now, the ninth thing, collaboration. Zoho Projects comes with built-in features for file sharing, discussions, and team chat. While this is fine for smaller teams, if you need more real-time collaboration tools, you might find Slack or Microsoft Teams to be more reliable for communication. The 10th thing is the learning curve. Zoho Projects can be quite a steep learning curve for new users, especially if you're not already familiar with the Zoho ecosystem. Compared to simpler tools like Basecamp, you might find it more complex and take longer to master. The 11th thing is customer support. Zoho offers 24/7 support, but some users report slower response times, especially when compared to other tools like ClickUp, which have a reputation for faster customer support. And lastly, let's talk about security. Zoho Projects offers solid security features, including two-factor authentication and encryption, but when compared to enterprise-level tools like Rike or Jira, Zoho might not have the same high-end security options for larger, more sensitive projects. So, is Zoho Projects a good choice? It absolutely is, especially if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem or need a tool that covers a lot of ground with its task management and time tracking features. But if you're looking for something with a more intuitive interface, better mobile functionality, or advanced reporting, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free, so why not give it a go?